How to do your graduation day Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So if you want to do this sticker right here with your graduation day, then you just have to keep on watching. So I will go out of this story, and from here you have to click on the search bar from the bottom of the page and then search for Ali and John. So it's this account. And from here you just have to click on story trends, which is at highlights. And if you go to my story, then that will expire in a few hours, so it's better to go at story trends from highlights. Once you are here, you just have to click until you find the desired sticker. So there we have it, your graduation day. And after that, you have to click on add yours button. And from here, you have to click to your uploads, which is at the left bottom corner, and choose a photo with your graduation day. So I will go with this photo right here. And you can make your picture smaller or bigger. And you can do the same thing with your sticker. You can make it smaller or bigger. So once you are happy with your story, you can click on send to button. So I will click it right now, and then click share to your story, and then hit on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.